So what I want to show you guys today is what I think the best string action gauge and evaluation tool there is on the market. This is the FretGuru 2, and I bought this on Amazon. And the cool thing is it also comes with a letter pouch for storage, stainless steel. All the letters are laser etched, so it's never gonna fade. I got the Metric Plus model, so it's mostly metric. However, it does have a whole bunch of inch measurements that you can also use on the side over here, and a small inch gauge right here, and a longer metric ruler right here. Extremely easy to use. For the narrow frets, you can just use this side. For the longer frets, you can use the other side, okay? Just get it. This is probably the best tool that you can have for less than $25 on Amazon. Don't buy the cheap ones.